In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new section in Framer. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this. The first one is if you go to the Insert tab at the top left, and then you want to go ahead and hover over Sections. As you can see here, you have Light and Dark, and there's a bunch of different sections you have, and you can add to your site by just dragging and dropping. So if I drag and drop this, for example, as you can see, it's going to show me where I can put it. I can go ahead and release it, and there we go. I now have the new section in here. Now, of course, you can go ahead and just click on it as well. So if I just click, it's going to pop up somewhere, and I can go ahead and of course customize it, take it over to wherever I want it to be, etc. Okay, so that's the first way of doing it. However, you could also draw yourself one. So you want to go to layout up top, and you want to do frame, for example, and then you can just draw it somewhere. So let's say I want a frame somewhere over here. I'm just gonna pop it in like that. There we go. It jumped down to the bottom because of the of course alignment I have in here. But make sure you go into the layers and you actually put it inside the correct page. Okay, so for example, if I want it here inside the stack, I can go ahead and put it in there, and it's going to jump in here, and then you can play around with that and put it wherever you actually want to have it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.